Yo, what is good, boys? Welcome back. This is week 6 of me trying to get my first $50,000 from day trading and also from affiliates. So now at $1,200. Had my first two payouts in January and just had like $350 from affiliates last month. That's just Alpha Features, code SAM, by the way. And today it is Tuesday, February 10th, 2026, and we just hit TP. Bang, bang, bang. Here's the account balance. If it wants to, $1,829 and made $729 today. So honestly, great day. 5-minute inverse. Just a little bit different than the continuation model I usually trade, but I can show you all exactly what I did. But I do want to say last week I did not make a video because this is actually my first trade of February. I didn't want to make a video of me just sitting there pretty much saying, oh, I didn't trade, because it's kind of boring. But yeah, this is the first trade I've taken in February. Honestly, I have not been too focused on trading, and I like that. Like, I've been more focused on like hanging out with my friends or, you know, playing basketball, doing other things in life, because before, trading was like my number one priority, and now I'm trying to get closer to God, following Jesus, reading my Bible, going to Bible studies, going to church. And I feel like that has honestly helped my trading because I haven't taken a trade in almost 2 weeks before today. So it takes discipline to be able to do that. And I feel like that discipline is going to help me become the best trader I could possibly be. So I can show you all the P&L real quick. As you can see, 729, the only trade since January 30th. Didn't trade at all last week. First trade of the month. And yeah, I can do a little breakdown of the trade. So basically going into the market, we were super choppy. I was like, this is absolutely trash. So I didn't want to trade anything, but kind of like an AMD model, come down, sweep out these lows, and had super slow down here. Then we started to get great momentum. Saw this 5-minute inverse. So after that 5-minute inverse, kind of just put my stop at the bottom of this candle. Risk 6 micros, so it was around 75 times 6 times 2, $573 of risk. But I kind of trailed it a little bit because I don't want to risk more than 500. So had that, and we ripped up a little bit, and we had an SMT with ES. So after we had this pump, ES came up and took out all these highs over here. So all these highs were these highs that I was targeting on NQ. ES came out and took them, so I immediately went break even at the SMT. And then we chop, and I ended up trailing my stop below this low because we're so choppy. I was thinking, I don't want to be in this trade if we're just going to chop all day and I just get stopped at break even, so I might as well go for a winning day. Had my stop right here for like $163, and it ended up pumping like with one crazy candle. Looks like a news candle. But honestly, pretty good trade. Took it to the draw on liquidity, went break even, did not get emotional. I was fine with getting break even, fine with taking a winning day, and now we're at $1,800. So honestly, feeling pretty good. We basically almost have a full buffer now. So hopefully tomorrow we can follow our rules. That's what I'm going to say. I don't want to say hopefully we take a trade, but hopefully we're able to just follow our rules like we have been. And now we're at $1,200 in the total challenge. So that's 2 winning days on this account. I did blow all the other evals because I was just being stupid. So we have no evals right now. I'll probably get one after I get another payout on this account. But I thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all tomorrow if we take a trade. Peace out. Yo, what is good, boys? Today is Thursday. We are back and still no trades. Just the one trade from Tuesday so far this week. And price action has honestly been pretty mid. Like, price action is going down. I kind of knew where price wanted to go, but it's just like on the high time frame, you can see like, okay, yeah, we had a great 1 hour candle close. Obviously, we're going to go to this low, right? But on the low time frame, there's just nothing happening. Like, this is what was happening during all that. Like, it just looks horrible. And so I just got off. Like, this keep in mind, this is 10:30 Eastern time. So
and then the main move is being made at 10:30 to 11:30 Eastern time. Like, that is just insane. That's just not normal price action. And going into the market open, this is what price action is looking like. We've been chopping for the entire week. Like, we've just been in this range. We finally broke out, which is good. But yeah, there's just nothing for me to take in that. So we just have one trade this week, 729 in the week so far. Tomorrow is CPI. So I'm probably just going to get like a 100K and pass that tomorrow on CPI, and so we can add another account, and then I'll just copy trade those together. I don't want to do this crap where I like try to like take dumb trades on that account, because I just don't want to do that anymore. I just want to copy trade them together. I'm thinking about getting Tradecopia, so I'll see what I can do with that. But yeah, so far not much has happened this week. I ended up getting sick, so it kind of sucks. But yeah, I haven't really found any trades. Tuesday was the best trade of the week, and not really much else I can do. Just trying to follow my rules. These past 2 weeks have been really good for me. Literally one trade in all of February. We're already on the 12th of February. So like a few weeks ago, like at the end of January, I was having bad psychology, and I don't know what happened. Something just switched inside of me, and all of a sudden, I just didn't care about trading at all. And it sounds bad to say, oh, I don't care about trading when that's how I want to make my money. But not caring about trading is literally making me more money, because I'm not forcing trades. I'm like, this trade doesn't look good, I'm just not going to enter. Like, it's not even worth entertaining. So I'm not going to take a dumb trade when I literally don't care that enough to like force a trade. Because before I was like, oh, I need to make money, I need to take a trade, I need to do this, I need to do that. But now it's like, I don't even care that much. I'm just going to get off and go to sleep, or play Valorant, play Fortnite, or go play basketball, do something else. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got to do. So not much else for this week. We have tomorrow CPI, see what I can do, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out. Yo, what is good, boys? We are back. Today is Friday, and once again, we have 0 trades. So just the one trade from Tuesday on the week. I did do the CPI method, and we got another 100K on Alpha, and I'm gonna be trading out on Trade8. Hopefully I can lock in, and I'm literally just gonna trade it exactly how I trade my Toss-Up account. Like, because before I had it connected to TradingView, and I had it on my phone, and I was like, I'd be in class, I'd be bored, and I'd be looking at the charts. I'm like, oh, this is kind of a good setup. Let me see if I can make a little money. And then I would like do like 2 minis and risk like $2,000 and just clap the account. So I'm locking in. I am going to take care of this account. I am not going to do any stupid stuff like that. But ending off the week, we're still up 1,800 on the account in just one trade the past 2 weeks. So going into the third week, it's only one trade on the month. And here we have the Trade8 account. Alpha Futures 0 100K. So you can see 100K, $2,000 daily loss limit, $4,000 drawdown. So probably gonna try to make around 1,400 per trade max, because there is consistency. So I don't want to go crazy. So probably gonna end up cutting some of my trades short, but that's fine. Profit is profit as long as I can get to the payout. Because last time I had 5 winning days, and I think I ended up getting like 8 winning days, and I just couldn't get the consistency because I made like almost 900 on one trade on 50K. So I'm gonna do around 1,400 max, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the week. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Only one trade, which is kind of crazy to me, like really astonishing to me. I've only been able to take one trade, but I mean, just look at price action. Like, look at the high time frame price action. It's just sideways. Yesterday we had a big move, but look at what was happening before that. Like, we're just stuck in a range. Like, we are not moving anywhere. So this is not the type of price action I want to be participating in, because that's just improbable, and I literally do not see any setup. So I appreciate y'all watching. One trade up 729 of the week. Let's see what we can do next week. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you use code SAM on Alpha Futures if you're doing a discount, and I'll see y'all on Monday. Peace out.